This is Bhudandi plant. It is very famous in Amarkantak, and this is very beneficial for cough and cold. Its fruit is used for cough and cold. Its shape is like makoy fruit. You can see here. You can observe it. This is its a fruit, red and